Who is this striking athlete with a coat that looks like it was splattered by a painter's brush? If you're thinking of the Dalmatian, you've found the most recognizable dog in the world. From Disney's 101 Dalmatians to the iconic mascots of firehouses, these dogs are global celebrities. But is life with a Dalmatian all about looking dapper? Or does their history mean they are a whirlwind of energy? Today on the Doggo Zone, we are diving deep into the world of the Dalmatian. We'll uncover their origins in Croatia, the science of their spots, and the truth about their health and training needs. Part 1. From the Dalmatian coast to the firehouse. The history of the Dalmatian is as unique as its spots. Early references dating back to the 14th century described them as hunting dogs, but they found their calling as carriage dogs. They acted as sirens, clearing the way, and as guardians, protecting the horses from highwaymen or stray animals at night. In the days of horse-drawn fire engines, Dalmatians were indispensable, barking to alert pedestrians to get out of the way. Part 2. Personality, the high-octane athlete. These are elite athletes with stamina that can last for miles. A Dalmatian requires at least 1.5 to 2 hours of vigorous exercise every single day. They are highly intelligent but independent and stubborn. They are also incredibly sensitive dogs who remember everything. Part 3. The genetics of spots and hearing. Did you know that Dalmatian puppies are born pure white? Their spots don't start appearing until they are about 10 to 14 days old. About 15% to 30% are born with some degree of hearing loss, genetically linked to their white coat. Part 4. The urinary challenge. Dalmatians lack a specific enzyme that breaks down uric acid, making them prone to urinary stones. Owners must provide a low-purine diet, and constant access to fresh water is non-negotiable. Part 5. Training. Training a Dalmatian is a marathon. Use positive reinforcement, treats, and praise to keep them engaged. Mental stimulation. Because they are smart, they get bored easily. Puzzle toys are great ways to keep their brains busy. The Dalmatian is a masterpiece of endurance and loyalty, a friend as unique in character as they are in appearance.